Okay, we're back. These rims are for the 67 GTX. These are like something you just kind of cruise around on. And then you keep the other two fat boys in the trunk in the rear. Alright, I've had these for 17 years of my life. Right here you got a lip. You're going to come down to here on the lip. We're going to run up this 80 grit. We're going to run it down, and then any little baby imperfections over the years, we're going to be able to address those because they've never been curb rash, but what has happened is they've sat together, stacked on top of each other, and with your tires out, the rims touched together, it chipped them. And I'm going to paint them. So it's only a ceramic with no clear on it, and we're just going to go ahead and put a ceramic back onto it, and then we're going to put a clear over it. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is get you some of this. The hardener. You're going to dab it on all the spots that are damaged. So you're basically going to just take a couple marks and pretty much it. Your finger and mark it up. Just a little teeny amount is all you need, because you're only going to be mixing up enough to fill in, you know what I mean, the little chips that have happened. All we're doing here. Okay. See, little baby amount everywhere. Your finger here. If there's a little bit of damage, you rub this. Like I say, these are only from setting together. Slammed them together, it chipped them. They've been off the car 9 years in and out of a barred attic and everything else. So now we're going to put them to wax. So we good use. That easy. Just like that.
Like some guys back in the action. What? Don't show them the 427 now going in there. Shh, did I slip? That's not a big block. It is.
All right, we're just going to go out and say it. Look at the sexy look in the car's eyes. I mean, we're going to have to do it. I mean, window. Oh my God. All right, you guys, I got to go. All right. Cut. Okay, here it is. See the image? Yep. There's barely any wax. Gotta go pick up some products. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See ya.